What do you think of when I say robotics? Well, if you think it's only related to some space movies or stuff related to science fictional novels, I would suggest you to think of it again because it's not true. Good morning everyone, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and my dear friends. Today I, Pranjal of class 10th I, would like to welcome you all to this wonderful assembly on the theme robotics. Let us begin our assembly with a short prayer.
The mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow, domestic walls, where birds come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the radiated desert sun of that habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Pledge is a way to show our gratitude towards the nation. So let's start with our pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning. Today, thought for the day is to make robot practical, flaws must be removed. To make robots endearing, flaws must be added. I repeat my thought once again. To make robots practical, flaws must be removed. To make robots endearing, flaws must be added. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Deepika Sharma of class 10th I. I am going to tell you words for the week, that is automation and haptic. Automation can be spelled as AUTOMATION. Meaning of automation is the use or introduction of automatic equipment in a manufacturing or other processes or facilities. We can use automation in a sentence like robot makers claim that automation of certain tasks such as vacuuming and mopping will make our life much easier. The second word is haptic. Haptic is spelled as HAPTIC. Meaning of haptic is interaction involving the sense of touch. We can use it in a sentence like being haptic, the robot was able to sense if an object comes closer enough to touch.
Good morning everyone. Information is a very vital thing as we need to know what is happening around us. To fulfillment for this purpose, today our new Raj, student of class 10th I, is going to tell you the news of India. First, some national news. Allahabad High Court says cow should be declared as national animal. India has administered over 66 crores of doses. India gives 2 oxygen plants to Bangladesh. Now some food news. Arun Tanua withdraws from Paralympic. They were charged due to suspected fracture. Shooter Rahul Thakur ends 5th in mixed 25-meter pistol at Paralympics. Neeraj Chopra secured a gold in javelin throw for Team India. At the last, we have some international news. New York City Mayor declares state of emergency after record-breaking rainfall. Nepal government forms committee to study about border-related issue with China. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Siddharth Pawar from class 10th I and I am here to share my thoughts on my topic. My topic is robotics. So without wasting the time, let's begin. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operation and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Robots can be used in many situations and for many purposes, but today they are used in dangerous environments such as inspection of radioactive materials, detection of bombs, and deactivation. Robots can be also used for manufacturing and the places where humans cannot survive, such as in underwater, in high pressure, in space, and in high temperature. Robots can be in any form, but they are made to resemble humans in appearance. This is claimed to help in the acceptance of robots in certain replicative behavior that humans can easily perform. Robots attempt to replicate walking, lifting, speech, and many other activities that humans can easily perform. Many of today's robots are inspired by nature, contributing themselves to the field of bio-inspired robotics. Now, let's see the conclusion. Today, we see many of the robots working for humans in factories, industries, warehouses, and in laboratories. Robots are useful in many ways. If robots are used in industries or business, then they increases the competition a lot because they perform the job better and faster than humans. As the technology improves, there will be new ways to use robots which will bring new hopes and new potentials. As the last note, I would like to say that robotics is the main key feature of any nation which helps them in their development and makes the human life easy. Thank you for giving your precious time and have a fruitful day ahead.
Robots are capable of thinking, acting and presenting themselves like human beings. The point where from human beings stop or tired of thinking, from that point robots continuously work without getting stopped or tired. Like humans, robots don't get tired and they save our time and can work 24/7 hours.
Robots don't get tired and stop working, but they are made up of artificial materials, so there is no guarantee that at what time they may get stuck and needs to be repaired, which will again cost a lots of investment of money, right?
Let me ask you one question. If I tell you to jump into fire to save someone else's life, will you be able to put your life into risk and save someone else? And there is no guarantee about it. So here, robots are capable of working in environments which are unsafe for humans, such as nuclear and chemical factories, and also they are used in fireworks.
Robots don't use their own brain. They follow the instructions given by their commander. So, in these type of situations, they won't be able to use their brain and handle these situations more appropriately.
Robots are used to find underwater objects and to explore other planets. Robotic technology has been helpful to people who have lost their arms or legs.
Robots are capable of doing all the work, but in this situation, they are creating a sense of unemployment in the society. People will be dependent on robots for all their work. So they will become lazy day by day and not do their work by their own. From this, we conclude that artificial intelligence have many pros and cons, so they should be used in a limited manner.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He